Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an analyst opening from musigma to discuss in this video. So it's a very good opening for most of the graduates. Okay, they have not specifically mentioned one graduation type alone. So most of the graduates from most of the branches can apply, and also CTC providers 5 to 7 LPs. So we'll see the complete details like the eligibility criteria, skills required, everything. So just in case if you want to know what is analyst, okay, what is the role of analyst, you can see here an analyst gathers, interprets and use complex data to develop actionable steps that will improve the process and optimize the results. Okay, so analyst will be having a high level view of whole of the process inside the company for one project or for one product or however it is. Okay, so where are the rooms for improvement, where are we going down, all these things will be put in there. So that's how it do works. Okay, so I think you got what is analyst in general. So now moving on to the details regarding the opening. The job description is provided here, that is assisting in delivering well-organized reports, dashboards and data analysis, communicate effectively with client personnel, ensure error-free and high-quality outputs to the client or manager, documents work, which will help the managers to work in process, actively gathers and shares domain-related knowledge in forums within the organization. Okay, so we discussed, right, what is the analyst role. All the things are the same, only that they are putting over here too. You'll be having a complete outlook on the project or the product that you are working in, and you need to prepare do the data analysis and prepare the documents for that, which will help the clients or managers to review them and take it ahead. Okay, so that's the thing, and communication, everything comes to action in there. Okay, so just in case if you don't know what is musigma about the company and all, you can see the details is provided. You can either Google or whatever. Okay, so to know more about it. And one thing mainly I would like to highlight is that there will be so many companies which you haven't heard it. Okay, but they may provide a great working space, great exposure, great salary and everything. Okay, so just rather than sticking on to few companies, like 2 3 companies which we used to hear often, you can be a part of a wider companies that is around. Okay, just is not just 2 3 companies which is in the top list in the world. There are many. So musigma also may be able to provide you so much opportunities for your career. So just research and see and go through all the job description, eligibility criteria and see whether this is a good fit for you, then you apply. Okay, now coming to the eligibility criteria. So they are preferring graduates can apply for this job, and post graduation is a plus. So if you have PG, good. If you don't have PG also, it's fine. And BTech is preferable, that is first preference will be provided by BTech. It doesn't mean that this opening is only for BTech. Any graduates can apply. Your skills and requirement should be there. Okay, as is mentioned here. Okay, now the skills and requirement is as follows. Candidates should have excellent communication skill, then analytical skill, observation skill, flexibility and enthusiasm to work. Communication and grasping ability must be there. Then good at Microsoft products like MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint. Okay. So for data analysis, okay, to make the analyze data into documents, we generally use this Microsoft product. So that's why they are telling us we should have this knowledge. Okay, so that is Microsoft products knowledge. And communication skill, observation skill, analytical skill, these are very important while you optimize the result, while you analyze the data. So obviously that are the skill requirement. Okay, now coming to the recruitment process. So recruitment process is held in 3 different steps. You can see here, online aptitude test is there, video synthesis test is there, and selfie video test is there. So what is this online aptitude test? That is, as usual, we'll be having a written exam online assessment where the topics will be from basic maths, logical reasoning, time and distance. And next is video synthesis test. That means in general, we have heard, right, verbal ability test, English test and all, where a comprehensive passage will be given. You have to read that and you have to understand the things, what is mentioned, and you have to answer the questions that's coming apart, right? So similarly, a video clip will be played and you need to narrate that video or tell about the characters of the video or something like that, something related to the video clipping, so that you can get it from the during the examination. So in general, what skill come to that action is your communication skill, observation skill and all. Okay, so that's what they want you to have, and that's what they're testing in this second selection process. Next is a selfie video test. That is, tell me about yourself. Okay, so you have to tell about yourself, your achievements, what is your graduation, how you're fit for this role, what are your qualities help that will help you to stand in this role, all these details. Okay, so in there, your communication skill, your presentation skill, everything will be evaluated. So these are the three recruitment process for this particular role. Once you go through this, then you are done, you can join for the job. Okay, now the salary CTC range provided is 5 to 7 LPAs is what estimation that is provided, so you can get somewhere around that. And regarding this recruitment process, how you can prepare, where you can prepare, all these things also having an answer. Okay, so the selection process as well as the application process is through Able Jobs. I will leave the link in the description, you can get it from there for the free course provided for this opening, as well as how to apply for this job. Okay, so if you have the application, it will directly redirect you to the job opening. If you don't have the application, it will help you to reach the application link. You download that application and go to the job opening. Okay, so if you once more click into this link, it will directly take you to the job opening. Okay, so this is how the application interface to looks like. So you can see all the details that I've discussed here is provided here. You can just click on to this and apply it above list. Okay, so the selection process, everything is provided here with all the specific details. Okay, so every details, the eligibility criteria, skills requirement, everything I have detailedly explained how's the selection process and how you can get the course done for the recruitment process. So all the links related to this will be there in the description box. So once you choose a job opening, you must be good at evaluating things. Just click onto the link. Okay, just don't randomly skip this video. Just click onto the link and see the details regarding this opening available and evaluate yourself that this opening will help you in your career or not. Then you apply. Don't hear your friends word or don't hear like this is not a heard company, so why should we apply? No, you might be only heard like 3 to 4 companies names, but there are so many companies that will provide a great exposure to your career. So how big is that company or how important is that company is only through the research. So all the links will be there in the description. You should take a look into it and then you decide what to do or what to not do. Okay, so I hope all the details are pretty much clear to you. I have explained all of the things. In case if you have any doubts regarding anything apart from the things that I've mentioned in the video, let me know that in the comment section. I'll try to respond that if it is the things which is mentioned in rather than in video. Okay, so I think everything is pretty much clear to you. So until I be back again with another video regarding another opening, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.